Hi all, welcome to Clear and Concise. Let's have a look at this question. The eigenvalues of the matrix 1823 are. We need to find eigenvalues of given matrix. Don't solve these kind of questions. Just use properties of eigenvalues and verify with the options. Let's see here. The sum of eigenvalues is equals to eigenvalues sum is equals to trace of the given matrix, trace of A. So here trace of the matrix is trace of A is equals to sum of diagonal elements. These two are diagonal elements. So sum is 1 plus 3, that is equals to 4. Now let's check the option where we will get sum as 4. So in this option sum is equals to minus 4. Here it is 8.24. Here it is 8.48. In this case it is 4. So the correct answer is option A. And you can verify in other way. Determinant of matrix A is equals to product of eigenvalues. Product of eigenvalues. You can verify in this way also. Now find the determinant of given matrix, that is det of A equals to 1 times 3 minus 8 times 2, that is equals to 13 minus 13. Now let's multiply these two numbers. 6.12 times minus 2.12, which is almost minus 12.97, which is almost equals to minus 13. So the correct answer is option A. The most important thing here is sum of trace is equals to trace of A is equals to sum of eigenvalues. Det of A is equals to product of eigenvalues. These are the properties of eigenvalues. By using these properties we can simply solve the problems.